Unlock design consistency and supercharge your Webflow development with a killer style guide. First, let's get our foundation solid by creating a dedicated page for our style guide. From your Webflow dashboard, click the plus icon to add a new page and name it something clear like Style Guide or Design System. Now, let's dive into the designer for this new page. This is where all our foundational styles will live. We'll start with the most fundamental element, the body here. We'll define our base typography. Click the link icon next to the font family and create a new global style. Let's call this one base body font. This ensures any changes here will update across your entire site. Choose your primary font, set your base font size, and define your line height. This sets the rhythm for all your text. Next, let's tackle headings. Select your H1 element and create a new global text style, naming it H1. Adjust the font size, weight, and color to make your H1 stand out. Remember, consistency is key. Do this for H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, creating a distinct global style for each. Now, let's define our core color palette. Select a button, and in the Style panel, click the color swatch icon. Create a new global swatch for your primary call to action. Name it Primary Button Color. Pick a striking brand color that signifies action. You'll then create swatches for secondary buttons, background colors, and text colors, naming them descriptively, like secondary button color or dark text. Apply these global colors to the background and text of your button. You can then create global styles for the button itself, defining padding, border radius, and hover states, ensuring every button on your site is uniform. Let's create reusable components. Add a div block and name it Card Component. This will serve as a template for all your content cards. Inside this div, add a heading and paragraph. Apply your H3 and base body font styles respectively. Then, style the card itself. Add padding, a subtle shadow, and a background color using your global swatches. Finally, to make this a true reusable component, select the entire card div, and in the top right corner, click the symbol icon and choose Template. Now, wherever you add this component, changes made to the template will reflect across all instances. By establishing these global styles and reusable components, you've built a robust style guide that guarantees design consistency and speeds up your Webflow development significantly.